and welcome to our Advanced Legal English for professionals, experts, legal professionals, teachers, and students. And our lesson today is Real Property Law. And I'm thrilled to guide you through one of the most fascinating and fundamental areas of legal study. Real property law, also known as land law, that is not just about buildings and land. It's about ownership, rights, responsibilities, and the rules that govern how we use, transfer, and protect real estate. Whether you are planning a legal career, working in the real estate, or just simply curious about how property rights work, so today's lesson will give you a solid foundation with the practical readings and the best solutions for the questions. So in today's lesson, we will explore key concepts such as estates and interests, land ownership, leases, easements, and the transfer of title. We will look at real-world examples and cases to help you connect the theory with practice. So grab your notes, get comfortable, and let's unlock the world of the real property law together. So let's get started with the reading passage. So, property law is the general term used to describe law relating to the different forms of ownership in real property, such as land as distinct from personal property or movable property within the common law legal system. In the civil law system, there is a division between movable and immovable property. Movable property equates to personal property, while immovable property is roughly the same as real estate or real property and the associated rights and obligations attaching to the land. The main distinction in common law systems is between real property, land and what is sited on land, and personal property, chattels. Here is an exercise which we need to match the words in the box to the definitions below. So that's easement, estate, freehold, heir, landlord, leasehold, license, rent, and tenant. So let's get started with the first statement. A type of interest in real property with different degrees of ownership recognized in law. That is an estate. The next is leasehold. That is an estate that is for a fixed period of time. Third, freehold. The definition is the fullest form of right in land. Fourth, heir. A person who inherits property on another person's death. Fifth, tenant. A person who leases land belonging to another person. Sixth, rent, the money paid by a lessee. Seventh, easement. The definition is a right enjoyed by someone over another's property, for example, a right of way. Eighth, license. The definition is a power or authority passing no interest in the land but merely giving permission to use the land for a particular purpose. And the last one is landlord. The definition is the owner of an estate or interest in property which has been leased to another party. So, thank you for joining me in today's lesson on real property law, advanced legal English. We have covered some of the essential principles that form the backbone of property ownership and land use, concepts that are not only foundational in legal education, are also crucial in real world practice. Understanding real property law equips you with the tools to navigate legal rights, obligations, and transactions related to land and buildings, whether you are advising clients, making decisions, or simply broadening your legal knowledge. I encourage you to review the key terms and cases we discussed today and don't hesitate to explore further readings or ask questions if anything remains unclear for you. So stay curious, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next session. And I advise you to subscribe my YouTube channel for free and valuable lessons. Also, wise, you can find my free PDF materials and resources on my Telegram channel. So you're more than welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel as well. Thanks for watching.